Hey everybody, Dylan here, back with another unboxing video. This is just going to be a shorter video. This is something totally different that I have not done on my YouTube channel yet, and that is an N-scale locomotive unboxing. Now for those of you who probably don't know, which is probably most of you, I also collect N-scale here at my home. This is my home, this is my room. You've never seen this shot before, obviously. But yeah, I collect N-scale, so we're just gonna crack this thing open. I got this just now, just came in the mail from Train World. They're some awesome people, so let's crack this thing open. Let's see if I can figure out where to start. Maybe here? Maybe? Possibly? Possibly? It's a good question. I don't know. This is a lot of tape. Okay. Yeah. Come on! I think I'm doing this wrong. I'm definitely doing this. I'm definitely doing this wrong. Okay. Well, come on! This is not going well at all. Welcome to my world. Come on! Should have just used a hammer, because that's what Jeremy Clarkson would have wanted. All right, anyway, there we go. It's open. All right, if you couldn't tell by the title, I got this locomotive brand new from Train World, and this locomotive is made by Athearn, and it is a Challenger. I finally got a Challenger, and now I've been looking for one, and yeah, so I'm really excited. Let's crack this thing. It also came with this really cool little pamphlet. Thanks, Train World. You shouldn't have given this to me, because now I want to buy everything on here. Well, let's get this thing open. I'm really excited. It's like Christmas Day, even though it's a month after. Yep, that's the one I got. I'm so excited. All right. Oh, that's really cool. Wait. Are these? That looks like that goes on the tender. That's a good question. All right, here we go. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I don't even want to pick it up. That's awesome. All right, I'm just gonna get it onto a piece of track. We're gonna look at this thing. Awesome. All right, this thing is awesome. I'm so glad I got this thing. As you can see, I've got it on a piece of track right now. Yeah, so I picked up the Athearn's N-scale 4664 Challenger, specifically the Union Pacific 3985 in its modern excursion look. And this thing is just an awesome model. I'm super glad to add it to the collection. This is just the DC model right now. It is DCC ready, which means all I have to do is just buy the decoder for it. But I decided to just pick up the DC version right now, because I'm waiting to eventually get a DCC system for my other locomotives. So yeah, this thing's really cool. This was just kind of a quick video. I wanted to just show it off. Yeah, so I think now it'll just be a few quick clips of it running. I'll just set up some track on the floor and we'll just run it around for a minute or two, and that'll be it. So thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I'll see you in the next one.